Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and we got a house behind me that's new build that has a mold problem, and we're getting called in by another encapsulation company that's handling the encapsulation, but we do all their mold remediation work, and this home looks like it may have mold in it, and before they can do the encapsulation, we got to turn around and get that mold remediated properly. So I'm going to take a look down here and show you guys what I find, and let's go check it out. Okay, so I'm down in this crawl space, and I'm not seeing too many signs of actual mold due to the treatment that they use. So I do want to take you and show you that the builder should be putting in drainage immediately, because you don't want standing water, because that's what leads to the mold growth to begin with. So let me show you how much water is actually down here already accumulating in this new build. So if you have a new built home, make sure they put the drainage in the sub pump in, keep this space as dry as possible. So let's check this out. Okay, so only found a little bit of mold on here, nothing too big to worry about. Yes, we can certainly treat that, but what I really want to point out during this inspection, this is a new build, of course I mentioned that, but you see all the water that's over there in the ground? So if the builder puts in drain tile and a sub pump, keeps this water out, you have less chance for mold to grow before the house is even built. So we got more water intrusion coming in over here as well. See the water? It's starting to become a mucky mess. It hasn't rained in a few days now. But if you had drain tile installed in here already, this ground would be hard like a rock, and this moisture wouldn't evaporate and go up into the wood above and start causing mold growth. So that's my biggest tip for this inspection, is that they turn around and get drain tile installed. So if you're having your house built, as soon as they do the crawl space, make sure they put in drain tile and a sub pump, keep this bulk water from intruding, and that'll save you a lot of headache. That's all I got for now. Everybody have a great day. See ya.